Coming back to budget options, we have a great option coming from a brand called Perixx. You will find the design and appearance of this keyboard quite different from standard membrane keyboards, and close to premium mechanical options. The Perixx PERIBOARD-317R features a big font and a full-size layout for an improved typing experience. With 105 keys, this keyboard offers an elegant and adjustable backlighting system, making it easier to see the keys. The letters on the keys are 4 times larger than those on a typical keyboard, ensuring enhanced visibility and readability. The PERIBOARD-317 keyboard showcases a stylish key design inspired by classic Typewriter-Style keys. These round keycaps provide a stable and comfortable typing experience with every key press. Accessing shortcuts is made convenient with this keyboard thanks to its 12 hotkeys for shortcuts. You can simply activate the hotkeys by pressing the FN key. These shortcuts include media control, email, a calculator, and a home button, streamlining your workflow and improving productivity. The keyboard is compatible with Windows 7, 8, and 10, ensuring broad compatibility with different operating systems. The package includes one PERIBOARD-317 keyboard, and it comes with a 12-month limited warranty. Best features of this item. This keyboard has round keycaps. You will find 12 easy shortcut keys on the keyboard. It supports USB connectivity. Tri-color backlit illumination. Pros of this item. Keys caps have a large font. Different keycap design. It has a year of warranty. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.